Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabela. I'm from International Business Administration Study Program, Semester 6A. I would like to present about structural decisions and infrastructural decisions. A distinction is often drawn between the strategic decisions, which determine an operations structure, and those which determine its infrastructure. And operation structural decisions are those which we have classed as primarily influencing design activities, while infrastructural decisions are those which influence the workforce organizations and the planning and control and improvement activities. Structural decisions relate to tangible such as buildings, equipment, the way equipment and personnel organize and processes and how the business links to other businesses. Infrastructural decisions relate to systems used to enhance the utilizations of the structural resource to control those resources so the business achieves high levels of productivity. And now we talk about the structural decisions and infrastructural decisions area. The structural decisions areas comprise first, facilities, the location, size, and focus of operational resources. These decisions are concerned with where to locate production facilities, how large each facility should be, what goods or services should be produced at each location, what market each facility should serve, etc. Second, capacity. The capacity of operations and their ability to respond to changes in customer demand. These decisions are concerned with the use of facilities. Decisions about capacity will affect the organization's ability to serve particular markets from a given location. Third, process technology. The technology of the equipment used in operations process, for example, the degree of automation used, the configurations of equipment, and so on. The policy areas of process are process choice, technology, and integration. Fourth, supply network. The extent to which operations are conducted in-house or are outsourced. Decisions about vertical integration are also concerned with the choice of suppliers, their locations, the extent of dependence on particular suppliers, and how relationships with suppliers are managed. And then infrastructure decisions areas comprise first, planning and control, the systems used for planning and controlling operations. Second, quality management policies and practices. Three, work organizations, organizational structures, responsibilities and accountabilities in operations. 4, human resources, recruitment and selections, training and development, management style. 5, new product development, the system and procedures used to develop and design new products and services. 6, performance measurements, financial and non-financial performance management and its linkage to recognition and reward system. And now we talk about competitive effects of structural decisions. 1. Capacity decisions. Since capacity determines rates of outputs, competitive priorities must closely tied to capacity decisions are those related to output rates and volumes. Capacity also has a direct impact on response time. Idle capacity provides lack of goods. 2. Facility decisions. If the organization is located close to suppliers, they may be able to save on transportation costs. Likewise, if they are located close to customers, they can also save on shipping costs. 3. Process technology decisions. A strategy process can result in decreased labor costs and reduce the amount of inventory on hand or maybe a GIT system. Technology can result in better quality and more uniform products as opposed to human errors and imperfections and also reduce variability of completion times. 4. Vertical integrations and supplier relationship decisions. With a vertical integration, organizations can save on costs by focusing on their own core competencies and improve their productivity by producing what they know best. And last, we talk about competitive effects of infrastructural decisions. 1. Human resource decisions. Strategic human resource decisions can have a great effect on cost. Hiring a skilled workforce can reduce training costs. 2. Strategic quality decisions. Making good decisions when it comes to quality can provide for better relationships with suppliers and better processes and ultimately less waste materials which reduces costs. 3. Strategy production planning inventory control systems. Productions planning and control systems contribute to the productivity of resources by making it possible to accurately match the supply of capacity and inventory to demand. Or strategy new product or service decisions. New product and service design processes dictate the product or service attributes that will provide the customers the value they seek. 5. Performance or reward system decisions. Rewards cost the organization's money upfront. However, these rewards can result in enhancing worker productivity, which in the long run can reduce costs. 6. Strategy organization system design. Customers are looking for speed. It is necessary for organizations to structure themselves so that decisions can be made at relatively low levels rather than traveling through a hierarchy of several people and departments. Okay, that's all from me about structural decisions and infrastructural decisions. Here is a video about related topic. The title is Nike Quality Management. Let's see together.
Nike is the world leader in athletic shoes, and Nike is the largest and the most successful brand of shoes, sports equipment, clothing, and controlling more than 60% of the market and becoming a pop culture icon. One might say that the Greek goddess of victory for which Nike was named is actually the goddess of shoes. Nike may be one of the youngest of the major brands, but it is the dominant brand around the world. Nike began its history as Blue Ribbon Sports in 1964 at the University of Oregon. Track star Philip Knight and his coach Bill Bowerman distributed Japanese Onitsuka Tiger shoes at track meets. The first retail location for the company opened in 1966 in Santa Monica, California. As the relationship between Blue Ribbon Sports and Onitsuka Tiger ended in 1971, the company launched its own line known simply as Nike.
The Nike mission is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world, and if you have a body you are an athlete. Nike vision is to help Nike, Incorporated and our consumers thrive in a sustainable economy where people, profit, and planet are in balance. Nike objectives is to increase product awareness.
Just do it. With that being said, it's as if our unconscious knows what's best for us, tells us to suck it up, think of the future, not the present, and execute the task, whatever it may be.
First is design of goods and services. This strategic decision area deals with the design of Nike's athletic footwear and other products. Next is quality management. Nike emphasizes quality in its processes and products. Third is process and capacity design. Inventory management. The objective in this strategic decision area is to maintain operations management that minimizes inventory costs while maximizing its effectiveness and efficiency. Next, location strategy. Physical location is the typical concern in this strategic decision area of operation. Next is scheduling. Nike's scheduling approach is primarily concerned with corporate operations and the coordination of the supply chain with distribution and retail operations. After that, layout strategy. Nike's operations management deals with the layout design of its facilities. Thank you and hope you enjoy my presentation.
From the video we know that Nike decisions area are in design of goods and services, quality management, processing, and capacity design. The objective decisions area is to maintain operations management that minimizes inventory costs while maximizing its effectiveness and efficiency. Nike also manage about location, scheduling, and layout strategies. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.